Today I'm reviewing PushEngage, a web push notification platform that's been making a lot of buzz among bloggers, marketers, and site owners looking to boost traffic and user engagement. Once you're signed up, the dashboard is fairly clean, and setting up your first campaign is straightforward, especially if you're using platforms like WordPress or Shopify, which offer easy integration. I opted for a manual install using their code snippet, and the process was well documented. However, if you're not technically inclined, this part might be a bit overwhelming. PushEngage offers both one-time and automated campaigns. Automated drip campaigns are particularly useful if you're aiming to convert users over time, like with a welcome sequence or cart abandonment series. I tested both, and while the drip campaigns worked reliably, there was a noticeable delay in delivery sometimes. In terms of features, segmentation and triggered notifications are definitely a strong point. You can target by device, browser, location, and user behavior, which makes it more dynamic than email in certain scenarios. The analytics dashboard provides click-through rates, views, and subscriber growth, but it lacks deep customization or integration with platforms like Google Analytics. That's a downside for marketers who want unified tracking. The A/B testing feature is there, but limited. Only title and message body can be tested. PushEngage supports monetization via push ads, which is promoted as a passive income stream. This is where things get murky. The ad payouts are very niche dependent, and you won't earn much unless you have a very high volume of subscribers. Many useful links you can find in the description. Based on my tests, unless you're pulling significant traffic and have thousands of push subscribers, the income is negligible. This isn't made very clear in their marketing materials, and that's a negative in terms of transparency. Pricing starts with a free tier that supports up to 200 subscribers, but it's extremely limited. You'll need to upgrade quickly if you want to remove branding, automate campaigns, or access advanced analytics. The jump from free to paid is steep, especially for smaller sites or bloggers just starting out. Customer support is decent. I used chat and got a reply in under 24 hours, though responses were a bit templated and lacked depth in more technical queries. One major limitation is that PushEngage doesn't work on iOS Safari due to Apple restrictions, which is important to know if a large part of your audience is on iPhones. Desktop Chrome and Android browsers work fine though. Overall, PushEngage is a powerful tool with strong automation and targeting features. It's not a magic bullet for passive income, and you should manage your expectations around monetization. For content creators and site owners looking to re-engage their audience and drive more return visits, it is real value, especially if you're already getting decent traffic. If this review helped you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps more people find honest tech reviews like this one.